Welcome back. It all comes down to this. Record number of entries today here at the National Dog Show presented by Purina.
This is Gideon. He is a Beauceron, and he's one of the coolest dogs in the whole wide world.
This is Leonardo, the Great Pyrenees.
She is a pleasure.
He's got a great personality. Jokester.
How big is Splinter?
He's a good dog to be around.
He's a good kisser. He likes to get right up there and just, nibble on you.
Sometimes he thinks he's a lap dog.
He doesn't know he's tiny. She has a look at me world, here I come personality.
I am thankful to Pinks for being such a good dog for my daughter.
I'm thankful for her companionship, and she keeps me from being lazy.
He's definitely my little right-hand man.
I would thank them for their personalities and the love and affection they give me.
I'm thankful for the 2 years that I've had with him, and I would trade all the wins if he could spend the rest of his life with me.
They make you smile.